I'm on a journey, as we all are, to a place that often seems impossible to find. For so long, I have simply existed, just another grain of sand blowing in the wind. And then, something in me began to change. My eyes opened to a new horizon, and I came to a realization. The earth has a heartbeat. It feels, it breathes, it hears, and sometimes it speaks. But to understand what it's truly saying takes something extraordinary. This I have not learned easily. It took an escape from the artificial, from the binds of technology, a venture to the unknown, bearing off the path of the road most traveled, to a place of beauty and wonder. Perhaps this is where great philosophers, whose words echo through time, are born. Nature has something to say to each of us, and to each of us it says something unique. To me, it says, be as I am. Be great. Be magnificent. Be wise. And never stop growing.